Hey everyone, I'm Hayes.
And I'm Amy.
And we're the owners of Comeback Coffee. Today we're going to be showing you how to make one of our favorites, which is coffee soda. It's something we make in the shop a lot, and it's become a crowd favorite amongst our people there. So it's a super easy process. All you need is coffee, cold brew or flash chill will work, some type of simple syrup, and then something bubbly. So for us today, we've got our flash chill that we make in the shop. It's from a place called Brandywine. That's who we have on bar. We made a simple syrup out of strawberries. You can use any fruit that you want, any kind of combination that you want. Doesn't really matter, it's just whatever tastes good to you. For us, we're big fans of fresh fruits, especially as we go into this season. Take advantage of those. But you can use fresh fruits or you can use frozen fruits as well. So either way works great. But and then you need a bubble of some type. So you could use Topo Chico, any type of sparkling water. Our choice in our household is Spindrift. You can get it at any Target or any other kind of like store like that. But today we'll be using lime Spindrift. So Amy's gonna be helping me out, and she'll be throwing everything together.
Pouring it up.
So start off, we'll just be add your ice into your cup. Make sure to kind of top it off like that. And then add whatever coffee you're using. Like I said, you could use cold brew or flash chill. Anything kind of more concentrated will cut through a little bit stronger, obviously. But we're using flash chill and it works great. That's what we use at our house. So
we're gonna do 3 ounces.
So 3 ounces of iced coffee. If you check back on Grind City's feed earlier, Ethan Scott from Vice and Virtue did a really good tutorial on how to make flash chill. So give that a look and use that for this recipe. But so once you add your coffee, the next step is adding that simple syrup. For us, we did a simple syrup, like I said, of just frozen strawberries. And then we add a little bit of lime to that as well. So the zest of 1 lime and just the juice of 1 lime as well. We did 1 cup of water to half a cup of sugar just to get that simple syrup. And then let that steep into that pot for a good 10-15 minutes. Really making sure that gets incorporated and kind of thickens up as a syrup. The thicker the syrup, the more that's going to cut through in your actual drink. So kind of use that as your preference. But add that simple syrup in and then kind of adjust that. We did 4 ounces for our 3 ounces of cold brew. But you do whatever you want. So and then top it off with a little bit of bubble of choice. So like I said, we're doing Spindrift, lime, adds a nice little touch of acidity, and just kind of top it off.
There you go.
Get your spoon, mix it up, and you've got a perfect drink for a hot summer day or lounging around. Add a little bit of rum to it, and it's a great nightcap as well. So thanks, y'all.